This is circles and angles, and it's questions 1 to 6. Question 1. Correctly fill in the labels for each of the diagrams by selecting from the table shown below. Okay, so first one there is your sector. Second one is segment. Third one is circumference. And last one is your arc. Question 2, label the parts of the circle shown. Okay, so same as the top, that one there is your segment. This one here is your sector. This one here would be your circumference. One at the side here is a chord. And the one on the left seems to go from the center to the outside, so that would be the radius. Okay, question 3, fill in the label for each diagram by selecting from the given list. So same as before, top one here is your sector. Cross it out. Go to the ones you know. So the second one here is concentric. You use that sometimes on SolidWorks. Third one then has to be your segment. And last one is eccentric. It's the one that's left there on the top. So question 3 finished. Question 4. Figure 1 shows a design for an alloy wheel. Figure 2 shows the outline of an identical wheel. Determine the center of the wheel in figure 2. So they're only looking for the center point here. So to get the center point of any circle, we draw 2 chords anywhere in the circle, doesn't matter where they are. And then we bisect the 2 chords. So set your compass to a little bit more than half the chord, just so that it works out. Scribe an arc. Keep it at the same measurement, go from the other side of the chord and scribe an arc. And where the 2 cross gives you the bisect line. I'm going to do the same with the chord on the left. Set the compass to a little bit more than half. Keep it at the same measurement, set it on this side, a little bit more than half, same measurement again, and where the 2 cross over gives you the bisect line of that chord. And where the 2 cross gives me the center point of the circle. So that's the center point found. Doesn't ask me to draw in the alloy wheel, it just asks for the center point, so that's question 4 complete. Question 5, the image across shows a bowling ball sitting on a stand. Shown on the left below is the elevation of a similar ball on a stand. So that's it down here at the bottom. Complete the elevation on the right below by drawing the bowling ball sitting on the stand so that the ball is in contact with points P and Q. Show all constructions clearly. So the ball has to sit where it just touches P and Q, and it's going to sit on top of the stand here. So we need to get the center point of the circle. If you set your compass to the radius of the circle, so center point out to the very edge, that has to be the radius there. And if it's sitting touching these 2 points, the distance from the center to that point must be the radius, and the distance from the center to that point must be the radius. So with the radius set on the compass, go back over to Q, scribe an arc, move the compass over to P, scribe an arc, and where those 2 arcs cross must be the center point of the bowling ball when it's sitting on top of the stand, just touching point P and point Q. So it should draw in now where it's just touching P and Q on the top. Okay, that's question 5 finished. Question 6. Inscribe a regular pentagon in the circle shown. Show all constructions required. So we need to draw a pentagon inside this one here. Now, the degrees on a pentagon is 72 degrees on the outside, and if we divide up a circle, it's 360 degrees in a circle divided by 5 equals 72. So the 72 degrees between each one of the spokes of the 5 pentagon corners. So if I measure there from the top, let the center point of my protractor there, make sure that line lines up with 0, and go the whole way down to 72. That gives me that point there. I can draw in a line going out to that point. And that point there now is one side of the pentagon, so I can draw that line down. Now you can use your protractor the whole way around and set it to 72 each time, or because all the sides on a pentagon have to be the same length, you can just set your protractor to the length of the side and scribe it the whole way around. Should happen in 5 times. Same at the top there. Move it over this side, same, and scribe an arc. And that should give me the 5 sides of the pentagon that I can draw in. Kind of a quick method of doing it. And now we've inscribed the pentagon into that circle shown there.